Do you get app not installed error when you try to install app on your Android phone? Android app not installed problem might be happened on any Android phones. App not installed error fix on Android with this simple solution. In this video, I will show you simple steps to fix Android app not installed error problem. So let's get started. Step 1. Google Play Services clear data and cache on Google Play Services to fix app not installed error. Go to settings of your phone. Scroll down and locate the apps section. You will now see a list of apps installed on the phone. Scroll down until you see Google Play Services and tap on it. Or you can use the search button on the top right corner to search for Google Play Services. You will now see a screen that says App Info. Here tap on the option that says Storage. First tap on Clear Cache and then tap Clear Data. Now go back to Apps list. Step 2. Google Play Store to fix app not installed problem. You need to clear Play Store data and cache. Find and tap on the Google Play Store app, tap on Storage. Select Clear Storage and clear the files. Choose Clear Cache and clear the data files. Step 3. Disable Google Play Protect. Google Play Protect as Google's built-in malware protection for Android. So if you face app not installed error, it is better to disable Play Protect and give it a try. Go to Play Store. Tap on your profile picture. Scroll down and click on Play Protect. Click on the settings icon. Disable Play Protect. Now you need to restart your phone and you are done. So this is how to fix Android app not installed problem and not installed error. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget hit the like button.